Hey guys, it's Chris with market3sm.com, and I would like to welcome you to another great video on how you can make money online with another very easy free way that can give you from $100 and sky's the limit depending on how much work and effort you put in this. So very easy, free to start way that you can make money, and more details just in a second. So before we go ahead and jump on this video on these details, as always I would like to ask you to click here to see my #1 recommendation on how you can make passive income from the comfort of your house every week, day, even monthly. Will change your financials for sure. As I show you all my videos, free ways working, tested, and make money. My #1 though, the best way you can make money is below that video. Spend a few minutes, click on it and try it, give it a shot. It's free to start, so it will change your life like it did mine. And if you haven't already and you like the content of this video and any video I'm uploading, and in order for you to stay tuned with all the free ways and different ways that I suggest to make money, to click over here on the right side, on the very right side, there's a subscribe button throughout the video, and you can click in order to become a member of my channel. It would be a great honor to hit the thumbs up if you like the content. And with no further ado, let's go ahead and start this video, guys. Do stay down to the end to see the tricks, because I'm showing you the way you do it, and the most important thing is just how you'll be able to promote. So I'm showing you different ways on how you can promote this and make a lot of money. So I want you guys to think that we are living in a social media era right now, with a 3 zillion different websites, with the major being Facebook to be, let me remove this, sorry. We have Facebook, we have LinkedIn, we have Twitter, we have the list goes on. Instagram, everybody has 2-3 different Instagram accounts, Facebook accounts, LinkedIn, Twitter, and so on. Now, it doesn't matter if it's a personal or a business one. The most important thing that we see nowadays that because we spend a lot of hours in social media, even now companies are moving to cloud and electronic version, so we are working on the computer all the time. So it's very important and crucial to have good backgrounds, good cover Facebook covers, good background images, either on Instagram, either on different social media, on how we're going to promote different things. Actually, I was discussing not long ago with a company that they did a monthly account with one company that they are buying, something that I'm going to show you right now. Every month they have monthly subscription, so every day they're getting new images that they're pushing on the computers of all the employees to keep them motivated, to give them a different motivation, a different logo, a different slogan every day. So that is a lot of money there, guys, a lot of money there. So what I want you to do, guys, is just open your Google and then just type there the word Canva. And as you can see here, Canva is a graphic design tool website, and don't get freaky because it's a design and graphics and so on. It's very easy to use, guys. Very, very, very easy to use. I will show you just in a second. You will be able to log in with your Facebook or Google account, depending on what you guys have, and you will be able to see a 3 zillion different free templates that you are able to use. So let's say, for example, we're gonna go with Facebook posts, Instagram posts, and so on, Twitter, Pinterest, and that is all of them. I will suggest eventually to use all of them, but let's say, for example, you start with the Facebook cover, so we want to sell Facebook covers to either companies or individuals, depending on where we want to focus, and this has a lot of demand. So I'm just going to show you, if you are concerned, you have a question and saying that I'm not good with graphic design, I don't know how to gonna use, just follow me. Be patient for 1 more minute and see how easy it is to choose from the different free layouts. And the list goes on, and you just click on one of them that you like. I will upload here on their editor, on their tool. You just click again once, and you just go ahead and change. So it says don't panic, it's organic. So let's say, for example, I want to delete this. Yummy. It's organic. Just an example. You go ahead and save, download, it goes to your computer, and then from there on you can push out. Now imagine spend, now it took me what, guys? 10 seconds? Imagine choose a theme or a variety of those, go create, like for 10 seconds, go ahead and find, like this one is a good example. You can go and find great birthdays covers that which everybody wants to have a birthday. They can use this as a gift to their friends, to their companies, even for yourself. When you have a birthday, everybody's gonna go to your Facebook or your social media page and put some wishes there. So you want to have a nice cover, and people are willing on their birthdays to pay something extra in order to enjoy their birthday. Yeah, so you can focus on just birthday covers, and you can do different birthday covers, and you can upload them where I'm going to show you where, and you can start promote those. So it's based on you. The possibilities is endless. So start making all these different Facebook covers as a start. You can do posts, you can do Instagram pages, images, and so on. Download them, and then from there on, I'm gonna show you how you can make money out of it. So let's say now we have them. You're here. What I do with this, how I make money. That's what my question is. Yeah, that's what we're focusing, guys. There is a different ways you can push this. I'm gonna show you a couple. So what I would like you to do, the first and most important one, like a few other options that I'm showing to you, is to use Fiverr. If you're watching my videos, or maybe this is your first video, Fiverr.com is a website that you can find anything there. So I want you to come here, become a seller, open an account if you haven't already, and that's where you're gonna promote all these things. So let me show you an example of some people already doing this. So main page of Fiverr, yeah? So go ahead and type Facebook covers. So you're gonna be able to see here a list of people already doing this. So I want you to get an idea on how easy to do and what are the prices you can get on those crazy things. I will create a cover video. We can do that as well if we want, but let's focus on the images. So you can get 5 euros, 22 euros, 10 euros. If you convert that to dollars, that's even more. 5, 5, 9, 10, 5, 13, and this goes on, 30 euros, 50 euros, and so on. Now, if you open an account, you create 10 of them for a start, guys, and you put them there, and you have the template already, and you just go ahead and change the wording, and you push it there. It's very, very likely that you're gonna start selling 2 or 3 of those, maybe more a day. Now, one way, Fiverr, guys, is one of the best. A lot of people come here to buy stuff or to sell stuff. So it's one of the top sites. So if you become a seller here, it's guaranteed that you're going to sell a lot of these things because of the volume they have. Now, that's one way. Stick with me. I'm going to show you a couple more ways. What I would like you to do, if you start with this one, the Fiverr.com, which is a free way to go, sell a few, keep that, go and create more options for people to buy. That will give you the possibility to sell more stuff so you can get more income. But once you start generating some income from this free site, you can go and open a Shopify store. Maybe you heard about Shopify stores, maybe you didn't. I talked about on other ways with dropshipping about Shopify and how you're able to use it. But Shopify can connect different platforms, and you have different ways to sell. So if you have here ways to sell, it's an online store, point of sale. There's different ways you can put Facebook Shop, Facebook Messenger, Amazon, eBay, and so on. So Shopify is not free. It costs about 49 USD dollars per month in order to have. So that's why I'm suggesting start with Fiverr, which is free. You can keep only that if you want, but if you start making some money, and you will if you follow this because there is a lot of demand, you can then upgrade, use those 50 USD for 1 month, push through Shopify, and through there start selling there as well. Shopify is one of the most famous platforms out there as well. So you have Fiverr, you have Shopify, and the third reason I would like to show you, that's also very easy to do if you want to upgrade and you have more ways to do, is to start your own free website. Now don't think that is too technical to do. It's very easy to do. Right now there is websites like weebly.com. Again, you're gonna find all these sites on my description below this video, so you'll find everything. But if you go to pages like this, you are able to choose a ton of professional themes like it says here, and you'll be able to get these templates. Some of them are free And instead of selling, let's say for example, these accessories, you're gonna be able to have your Facebook and Instagram covers. And it costs, if you get a free template and you do the hosting, it's about $9 USD per month to do. So it's very easy to modify these templates. Just drag and drop. You're gonna just drag and drop the exchange, the picture here. So instead of a t-shirt and a watch and a hat, you're gonna drag and drop the covers, and instead of say here t-shirt, you're gonna put Facebook cover, birthday Facebook cover, Instagram cover, and so on. And you add the price, which is just click at the price, and the template is automated, will give you to take you to a PayPal account or whatever option you are. So there you go, guys. You have Canva tool, free, very easy as I showed you to use, and then you can push either through your Facebook, either creating a Facebook page, you can create a Facebook business page to push, you can use Fiverr, you can use Shopify, and or you can create your own template website, and a combination of them, and you can start pushing. So based on how much effort and hours you're gonna put on this, it's gonna bring you a lot of money. I know a lot of people making a lot of money like this. And as I told you in the beginning, if you're able to put some work out there, you can even contact companies, big companies, that they would like to push this kind of motivational covers and images to their employees. They will pay you monthly good amount of money in order to receive one a day. So imagine if you receive eventually 1 or 2 companies that they would like to hire you in order to receive every day just one cover. We're talking a good salary just from there, guys, and then you sell the individual ones and you make money from there. So this is it. I really hope you enjoy the content of this video. It's very easy to use, it's always free to use, and you can take those money you start from the beginning, from the free stuff. You can remain on the free stuff, or if you want to get more sales, invest those money you're not receive from there, keep the free ones, but use some of the paid methods in order for you to start making more money. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I know it's a very good method, it's working, and it's gonna bring you some money. I hope you like the content of this video. If you do, just don't forget to hit the thumbs up, to subscribe to my channel. It will be an honor for me to have you on my channel and follow my videos and get your feedback as well. And don't forget, my #1 recommendation is listed in the description below this video. Click it, follow it, and it will change your life. Thank you so much. Have an amazing day ahead, and see you to the next video. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.